Okay, so from the RBM Pre-Sales Advisor login screen, you see we have made the UI a bit more concise so that it's easy to choose which option you want to enter the app. My details have been remembered, so I'll just click login. Okay, so we're now on the home page of the app. There have been some tweaks to these panels, such as the descriptions are now available on the family list, and the messages have a lot more information related to each message. We've introduced a top app bar navigation feature, so I've swiped down from the top, and with this, wherever a user is within the app, they can navigate to another section quickly. And if we drop down these two, you can see you can start a new system from here and also drill down to your builds areas. If I swipe to remove that. If I swipe in from the right to reveal the settings option, you can see we now have some customized settings panes. We have an options where we'll have options to change the dataset, for example. We have a tools panel with our tools links, learning and reference, and about text. All of these links reflect the links available on the site at the moment under the tools section. Close that. Okay, so let's drill down to a particular family. Here I'm going to go to 3550 M3. Again, there have been changes to the layout. We have the parts associated with this family, and also just go back on that. At the bottom of this list, you can see there is a documents link. This pulls back a list of all of the documents for this family. If we select one, we now have the option to open a document, also to save a document. If I tap open, progress indicator appears, and the associated document has been opened. In this case, it's a PDF. You can swipe back to return to the app. If I click on back to the family details page and swipe up, you can see we can build from this family and also view the quick specs. So we can easily jump to the quick specs for that particular family from the details page, and here we can see all the associated parts available on this family. Okay, so if I choose to build from this family, we're directed to the Build a New System page, and from here I'll show you how we can now save a build and also add it to a solution at the same time. So if I choose one of these and click Build, I'll add one processor, and then from the builder we can pull up the app bar to reveal the options and choose to save the build. We can give the build a name, and then we have the option to save the build as it is without adding to a solution, or we can add to a solution. We choose the quantity to add. You can choose to add to a new or existing. I'm going to choose to add to a new solution. You enter a solution reference and description. And then choose to create the solution and save the build. This directs you to the solution summary list, you can see our solution has been created and our system has been added. As we can see here, we just drill down to the detail view of this particular solution. Now, this page is an example of the new user build areas. If I navigate back to the home page, pinch the screen to view a concise list of the panels, jump to summary, and you can see we have a Your Solutions link here. That will take us to the summary we just saw. We also have a Your Systems link, which will give you a summary of all your systems. And we have similar pages for all of the other areas, such as your blade, your tape, your storage, and your rack and UPS. And I'll drill down to another one to show you an example of one of those. So I'll go into your storage, drill down to a particular storage system. Here you can see all of the information for this built storage system, and at the end we have a breakdown of the parts added, and we can drill down to particular parts within here, like so. Two other sections we have added into the app are the Your Quotes page. Here you can see a list of all of your added quotes, categorised by total, pending, approved, not approved and expired. Using the top app bar again to jump to another section, we'll jump to Message Center. And here you can see we've added a page for the Message Center, categorised by inbox, sent and important. We have a list of messages here. Upon tapping a message, the content will appear on the right. And we can minimise this panel to give the message more space. And you can also see that we have flags for if the message has an attachment, and also if it was a new message there would be an unread message symbol too.